We're starting with Super Thanks at number 1 because it's the easiest way to start making an additional $5,000 per month on YouTube. The Super Thanks button shows up below every single one of your videos on YouTube. When your viewers click that Super Thanks button, they get given the option to send you a donation, ranging anywhere from $1 to $500. I saw the YouTube team announcing the launch of Super Thanks a few months ago, but most of the YouTubers I meet still don't know what Super Thanks is, which is crazy to me because it can literally start making you thousands of dollars more on YouTube every month with hardly any extra effort. All you have to do is turn it on. To set Super Thanks up, all you need to do is go to the monetization area of YouTube, click on Supers at the top, and then click to enable Super Thanks. That can all be done within 30 seconds. And after that, you'll have that Super Thanks button showing under every single one of your videos. Little Super Thanks tip here. If you just start saying something in every video, like, make sure to smash that Super Thanks button if you enjoyed this video. By doing that in every video from now on, the amount of money you're going to get sent in donations every month is going to compound as you release more and more videos. So assuming you're already monetized, you're making money from ad revenue, Super Thanks is definitely the easiest way you can start getting closer to making an additional $5,000 per month. At number 2, affiliate marketing is the second easiest way I can think of that you can earn extra money on YouTube every month. Imagine you're getting no additional views in a month on YouTube, but you start making $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 extra dollars each month without doing any additional work. That's the power of affiliate marketing. At one point, I was making 3 times as much from affiliate marketing as I was making from ad revenue in a month. So I know just how powerful affiliate marketing can be. Most people already know what affiliate marketing is by this point, so I'm not going to go into too much detail explaining it, but to top level summarize it, affiliate marketing is where you earn money by recommending other people's products to your viewers. Affiliate marketing would have been number 1 on today's list, but Super Thanks is just slightly easier to set up. But affiliate marketing is still super easy to set up and start making money with. My biggest affiliate marketing tip for you, which led to me making thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing myself, is to find an affiliate program that pays really high commissions every time you inspire a sale. For example, a specific affiliate program I used personally on this channel back in the early days used to pay me a massive $58 every time one of my viewers went ahead and bought their product. So by simply convincing just 35 of my viewers to go ahead and buy that product every month, I was making a crazy $2,000 extra money from YouTube from that affiliate program every month. So yeah, the fact that all you have to do is start mentioning products in your videos and you can start getting paid thousands of dollars extra every month is why affiliate marketing is the second easiest way that you can start making towards an additional $5,000 per month from YouTube. At number 3, we've got memberships. So from here until the end of the video, so 3, 4, 4.5, all of the remaining ways are going to require you to either spend a little more time or spend money setting them up. That's why they didn't come earlier in the video. They're all still really easy to set up and make you more money on YouTube each month. They're just not as easy as the first 2. So looking at number 3, memberships, YouTube actually has a feature called YouTube memberships built into the website that you can activate and start making money from memberships with. If you look at YouTubers like Mr. Beast or PewDiePie, you can see that they're using YouTube memberships because they have that join button on their channel page and under their videos. And by clicking the join button on one of those channels, their viewers are able to choose to become paying members to that channel every month. Memberships comes in at number 3 on today's list because setting up YouTube memberships is so easy to do. You just do it in the monetization area of YouTube and you can be done from start to finish setting up YouTube memberships in like 5 minutes. And my tip here to be successful with memberships is to actually not use the built-in YouTube memberships feature. I found from using YouTube memberships in the past that YouTube memberships just doesn't provide a reliable way to contact your paying members. I'd often do a private members only live stream or I'd give something away to my paying members in a month. But because there was no guarantee that communication would reach all of my members started to miss out on things and they started questioning like whether it was worth being a member to my channel. So the alternative membership platform that I found and I now use and I'd recommend for you is a platform called Uscreen. And Uscreen's great because it has an inbuilt feature where you can directly email all of your paying members whenever you need to get in touch with them. So that solves that communication problem. And Uscreen also provides a community space within your membership where you can speak directly to your members and they can speak to each other. Uscreen also allows you to give your viewers a free trial to your membership package, which in the long run is just going to turn more of your viewers into paying members. And what's different to YouTube memberships is with Uscreen, you can use templates to kind of make like a landing page, a home page for your membership area. I noticed that large YouTubers like Yoga by Adrienne, organizations like Vid Summit, are using Uscreen to run their membership packages. If you want to use Uscreen yourself to build your membership plan, you can check them out by clicking the link in the description text to this video. They sponsored this video so they'll know that I sent you. And then straight away, you can immediately start working on getting, say, 300 members that pay you $10 every month. And all of a sudden you're making a massive $3,000 more from YouTube every month. Memberships are just such an easy, powerful way to start getting closer to making that additional $5,000 per month on YouTube. I'm really excited that I've started building my own membership program and I feel that Uscreen is the right platform to do it on. Next, in at 3.5 is email. Email is a really powerful way for YouTubers to start making more money, but it's a 0.5 on today's list because it doesn't actually make money itself. What it actually does is makes it easier to make money from everything else in today's video. Little example of what I mean by this. I used to work for a company that made a mad $30,000 every day from email. They'd send out emails that contain links to products. The readers of those emails would go on to click those links and buy those products. So the company I was working for was making over £30,000 a day from affiliate marketing commission, all driven by your email. You can use email to make money from affiliate marketing. You can use email to get people to join your memberships. You can use email to ask for donations, and you can use email to make money using the fourth method that we're going to cover in a second. So don't sleep on email. Use it to weave together all the ways of making more money on YouTube that we cover in today's video and get you over that additional $5,000 per month that your YouTube channel makes. Right, 4.5 on the list that will make you more money from YouTube every month, maybe $5,000 more, maybe $10,000, maybe even $20,000 more, is selling your own products. Using me as an example, I've sold my own course in the past, which was $200 for each student that signed up to it. And YouTuber Ali Abdaal reportedly made a mind-blowing $2.5 million in 2021 from selling his own course to his viewers. So you can really make a lot of money by doing this. And I'm not suggesting that courses is the only product that you can make and sell. I've seen such a wide variety of products being sold by YouTubers in the past, from backpacks to makeup to clothing to mugs, even Excel templates. And the biggest tip I can give you to be successful with selling products that I picked up from just talking to other YouTubers that are successful at doing it themselves is to just make sure that you are trying to sell a product to your audience that is relevant to your channel and your audience. If you try and sell a product to your audience that is just guaranteed to not interest your audience, well, your only guarantee is that you're not going to make any money. Think about why your viewers come to your channel, what value they get from watching your videos, and then try and create a product that is an extension of that value that you provide. Another tip to help you get the most sales from selling products is you want to use a YouTube feature that allows you to display your products directly on your YouTube channel underneath your videos. The problem that exists at the moment though is that the ability to display your products on your YouTube channel, like under your videos as they're playing, that's a fairly new feature that YouTube's introduced, and not many YouTubers know how to do it. You do this by building your own shop on the website Shopify, which is really quick and easy to do. And then you connect your Shopify store to your YouTube channel in the YouTube settings area. Luckily, I've made this video in the past that runs you through step by step how to build a Shopify store from scratch, how to connect that Shopify store to your YouTube channel, and how to add products to get shown underneath your YouTube videos. So make sure to watch that next so that you can do that the right way and start smashing that additional $5,000 per month from YouTube. And remember to subscribe.